Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to our social science class in 8th standard. Dear students, today we are going to learn from the lesson From Trade to Territory. Introduction about the map of India under British rule. From trade to territory, வர்த்தகத்திலிருந்து பேரரசு வரை. Introduction about the map of India under British rule. ஆங்கில ஆட்சியின் கீழ் இந்திய வரைபடங்களை பற்றி, முக்கியமாக இந்திய வரைபடங்களை பற்றி நாம் அறிந்து கொள்ள இருக்கிறோம். Dear students, battles under the British rule. This is the map of India. Battles under British rule. ஆங்கிலேயரின் ஆட்சியின் கீழ் இந்தியாவில் நடந்த சில முக்கியமான போர் நினைவிடங்களை பற்றி நாம் அறிந்து கொள்ளவிருக்கிறோம். முதலில் காஷ்மீர், ராஜ்புதனா, ஊத் which means அயோத்தி, பீகார், பெங்கால், மராத்தா, மைசூர், கர்நாயக். These are the major important places under the British rule. And then the map of India is divided 4 categories. First one is from north to south, is divided north to south, which means this is the western India. This one is eastern India, western India and eastern India. And then it is also divided from west to east. This place is northern India, this place is southern India. My dear students, first one, northern India. We are going to learn northern India. What are the places are important in the northern India? Kashmir, Oudh and Rajputana. These are the major places in the northern India. And then some of the places are Delhi. Some of the places are Delhi, Panipat. This one is Delhi. This one is Panipat. The Panipat is located above the Delhi. Gwalior is located near the Ayodhya, which means Oudh. And under then Mandosar, next we are going to see the eastern India, Bihar, Bengal. These are the eastern places. And then some of the places are Plassey. It is located in Bengal, near the Bengal. Buxar. It is also located near the Bihar. Buxar and Plassey. These are very important places in the history of India. Dear students, and then southern part of India, Maratha, Mysore, Karnataka. These are the important places in southern India, and some places are Barnsley. These are Barnsley, Nagpur, Arakan, Surjakan, Salbai and Asai. Salbai and Asai. These are important places under the Marathas controlled by the British. Mangalore, it is located near the Mysore, and under the Malavalli, it is Malavalli. Srirangapattinam, these are also very important places near the Mysore. Madras, which means Adayar, Vandivash, Porto Nova, Arcot, Ambur, Changam, and then Truangur. This is also very important places in the history of India. And then western part of India, which means west coast of India. Gaikwad is located Gujarat, Baroda, Sindhia, Bhonsle. These are the places of under Marathas. Deogan, Bezin, these places Bezin, Bombay, Pune, Purandar, Satara, Kirki, Salsett. These places controlled by Peshwas. They are also called Marathas. Bezin, and under then Bombay, Pune, Purandar, Satara, Kirki, and above Salsets. These places are called Marathas places. Dear students, thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.